I'm Randy Ravioli, and you may have noticed last time Sir George did a very good job. I wonder who will come this time. Whoa, who's there? What the?
Losing unto the day, Kenji Kuriyama, losing a dinner.
Please put those nunchucks down. Are you the new assistant chef? Do you even speak English? Well, just to let you know, we'll be making dream pie today. You will need 2 envelopes of Dream Whip, 1 cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's all. Now we can add them together. Now with that done, we can add in the cup of milk. And then the vanilla extract. That's good. Now, you can bring it over to the mixer. And screw it on. We'll blend it for about 6 minutes or so on high speed. I love the smell of blending. Okay, now that our mix is done, we can add in the rest of the ingredients. You will need 1 3/4 cup of milk and 2 boxes of instant pudding. Would you like to help me put them in? Put them in? Watch. Okay, we'll put in our mix of the pudding. That's right. Okay, now we can add in our milk. Okay, now we can bring it back to the mixer, and this time mix it for about 2 minutes on low speed. Okay, now that it's done, you can bring it back to the table. And Kenji, would you like to start helping me spoon our mix into the pie crust? Watch. Yeah. Make sure it's real big. It depends on how much you have, the more tasty it'll be. Okay, now that it's all done, we can gently bring our pie crust to the fridge and put it in it and let it sit for about 4 hours or so. Nothing goes better with a pie than whipped cream. Let's spoon them, Kenji. Okay, Kenji, that looks real good. Okay, now I think I'll half of it. Scrumptious.
I can't understand what you're saying.
Hiya, hongi.
What did you say?
Hiya, hongi.
If you say so. Well, we hope you liked our kids show. See you later. Kenji!
Goodbye.